funded and focused feature. Moving from financial recovery to being funded and focused begins with one thing: action. Value doesn't flow towards hesitation, it flows towards momentum. Sit down today and set 3 clear income goals for the next 90 days. Update your professional profile or business page to reflect real results you deliver. Reach out to one person in your network who can connect you to opportunity. For professional women over the age of 35 and beyond, these are not just tasks, they're turning points. Every time you act on your value, you create new financial flow. Your experience, your network, your creativity, all of it gains traction when you move, because money doesn't chase potential, it follows proof.